In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play against bots in Battlefront 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a custom match where you will be able to play against bots. So, to create a match with bots so you can practice, familiarize yourself with the game, or just have fun, all that you have to do is first go over to the main game modes, so go over to play, and if you switch to the secondary tab, you will be able to find the single player option. When you go into single player, you will be able to set up an AI bot-filled match. Alternatively, you can also choose co-op missions. You will still be able to play against AI, but I assume for most people, single player is going to be the best option possible. Try out both and see which you prefer. You can also read the description. If you go over to single player, once again you have three options to choose from: campaign, instant action, and arcade. If you just want to experience the main gameplay aspects of Battlefront 2, then go into instant action or arcade, but once again, you can do the campaign if you prefer a more story-oriented gameplay. Now, I'm going to focus on instant action and arcade for this video. Once you go into either of these modes, you will be able to change all of the game modifiers and start playing. So you have a lot of options like the mode, the location, the difficulty of the AI, round length, and then other options like battle points, the amount of AI enemies, friendly AI, enemy hero, friendly hero, and so on. So change all of these accordingly, customize the game to your own preferences, and you will be able to play either Supremacy, which is capturing and defending command posts, or Mission Attack/Defend, which is 4 phases of attacking or defending command points. And you will be able to play against instant action AI. They are pretty good and they are able to play heroes, reinforcements, and vehicles like I mentioned. Explore the co-op missions if you want, but this is going to be the primary way of playing against bots. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against bots in Battlefront 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.